Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to set up the hands-free stand for the Datalogic QW2120 linear imager barcode reader. Generally, it can be used as a normal stand or it can even be used optionally as a wall-mounted holder. As you can see, there are blue buttons at each side of the stand. Simply press both of the buttons simultaneously and you will be able to open up the stand. The holder has a tiltable head of 3 angles which allows you to switch the reader to face 3 different angles.